Secrets of life in 6 first. Before middle age, do not fear. After middle age, do not regret. Enjoy your life while you can. Do not wait till you cannot even walk just with sorrow and regret. As long as it's physically possible, visit places you wish to visit. When there is an opportunity, get together with an old classmate, old colleagues and old friends. The gathering is not just about eating. It's just that there is not much time left. Money kept in the banks may not be really yours. When it comes to spend, just spend. Treat yourself as you are getting old. Whenever you feel like eating, just say it is most important to be happy. Foods which are good for health, eat often, but that is not everything. Things which are not good for health, eat less at least once a while, but do not abstain from them totally. Treat sickness with optimism. Whether you are poor or rich, everyone has to go through birth, aging, sickness and death. There is no exception. That's life. Do not be afraid or worried when you are sick. Settle all the outstanding issues beforehand and you will be able to live without regret. Let the doctors handle your body. Let nature, God and nature handle your life, but be in your charge of your own moods. If worries can cure your sickness, then go ahead and worry. If worries can prolong your life, then go ahead and worry. If worries can exchange for happiness, then go ahead and worry. Our case will make their own future. Look after the 4 old treasures. Your body, your whole body. Pay more attention to your health. You can rely on yourself to this. Retirement funds. Money that you have earned is best kept to yourself. Old companion. Treasure every moment with the other half. One you will live first. Your old friends. Seize every opportunity to meet up your friends and opportunities. Things you must do every day. Smile and laugh. Running water does not flow back. So life is. Make it happy. Bless you. When it comes to right eating and exercising. When it comes to right eating and exercising, there are still no start. Tomorrow is a disease. Terry Gulmes quote. Your choice, you can either make it a time for exercise and healthy eating today, or you may be forced to make time for disease and sickness later. In life, it's a rest, it's the start of a new year. Come now. This is your tomorrow. Promise yourself you will exercise and eat right today. Then you do the same for all your tomorrows. Your present, you and your future will thank you. Ten reasons to throw out your microwave oven. Why I am showing you all these things? Because all these things are related to your home remedies. Because if you pass through the life in various ways, right now I am taking you to various aspects of the life. Then we'll come to the home remedies, the main part of our this thing. How many use microwave ovens in your home? Only for warming. Bus. Only. Bus. Mark the times. 15. Now have a look. Below is a science fair project that granddaughter died in 2006. She took a water and air into 2 parts. The first part she heated boiling and pan on the stove, and the second part she heated boiling to the microwave. Then after cooling, they used water to water the 2 identical plants to see if there could be any difference in the growth between the normal boiled water and the boiled water in the microwave. She was thinking that the structure and energy of the water may be compromised by microwave. As it turned out, she even amazed at the difference. See the clippings. Microwave water and purified water. Next. In microwave water, see the plants, and purified water, see the plants. How do they look? Now, microwave water only, growth is this much. Purified water, see the growth. Both are done on the same day, same time. Microwave water, this is the condition. Purified water is the condition. I have known, I have known for years that the problem with the microwave is anything, not the radiation people used to worry about. It's how it corrupts the DNA in the food. So the body cannot recognize it. So the body wraps up in a set fat cells to protect itself from the dead food, or it eliminates it fast. Think of the mothers heating up milk in these safe appliances. What about the nurse in Canada that warmed up the blood for a transfusion patient and accidentally killed them when the blood went in dead? But the maker says safe, but the proof is in the pictures of a plants getting died. Niche. Now here comes the 10 reasons to throw out your microwave oven. From the conclusions of the Swiss, Russian and German scientific clinical studies, we can no longer ignore the microwave oven sitting in our kitchens. Based on this research, we'll conclude this article with the following things. Continually eating the food processed from the microwave oven causes long-term permanent brain damage by shortening out the electrical impulses in the brain, depolarization or demagnetizing the brain tissues. You are damaging your brain. The human body cannot metabolize the unknown byproducts created in the microwave food. Male and female hormone production is shut down and are altered by continually eating the microwave foods. The effects of microwave food byproducts are residual, long-term permanent within the human body. Minerals, vitamins, minerals, vitamins and nutrients of all microwave food is reduced or altered so that the human body gets little or no benefit, or the human body absorbs altered compounds that cannot be broken down. The minerals in vegetables are altered to cancerous-free radicals when cooked in micro ovens. Microwave foods cause stomach and intestinal cancer growths, tumors. This may explain rapidly increasing rate of colon cancer in America. The prolonged eating of microwave foods causes cancer cells to increase in the human blood. Continual ingestion of microwave food causes immune system deficiencies to lymph gland and blood serum alterations. Eating microwave food causes loss of memory, concentration and emotional instability and a decrease of intelligence, which you require the most nowadays for competition. Have you ever tossed your microwave oven yet? After you throw out the microwave, you can use toaster or even replacement. It works well for most and is quick, nearly as quick. The use of artificial microwave transmission for subliminal psychological control, brainwashing has also been proven. We are attempting to obtain the copies of the 1970s Russian clinic documents and results written by Dr. Luria and for specifying the clinical experiments in this area. When you are sitting in front of the computers for a long periods of often causes neck and shoulder stiffness and occasionally lower back pain. Do the stretches every hour or throughout the day or whenever you feel stiff. Be sure to get up and walk around the office once a while you feel better. This is an overview. Ready? For 10 to 20 seconds, do this way of stretching exercise. Stand up. Your hands up for 10 to 15 seconds. Then on the left side. 3 times left, 3 times right. Now the other side. 3 times right. Back again on top. Lift your shoulders 3 to 5 this thing. 3 to 5 seconds. 3 times. Right arm and hand. Left arm and your hand. 10 seconds. Sit down and raise the left hand. Right up, down. Now the other side. Raise and cross the left leg. Okay? The key to anger reduction is knowing yourself. A matchstick has an head but not a brain. Anger prevention kit. Don't criticize and complain because it makes you angry. Learn to say no. Choose a job you love and you not will have a day of anger in your working life. Most problems aren't really the absence of ideas. Think ahead, anticipate, do it or get it done. Even if seconds pass, you will be less angry. Organize your mind and organize your desk for 6 minutes every hour. Accept what you cannot change and change what you cannot accept. Ask even stupid questions to avoid mistakes to further avoid other getting angry with you. Say sorry at the right moment to reduce the anger of others. Every 10 minutes you are angry, you lose 600 seconds of happiness. A little pot soon hot. Short pencil is better than a long memory. It's used to reduce your anger. What can make you angry without your consent? Never get angry with a man who has nothing to lose. The most common occupational disease of a poor executive is inability to listen. The result is anger. Never reply to a letter when you are angry. Nobody can disgrace other than yourself. So why get angry? Anger is a luxury in which only men of abundant means or absolutely no means can indulge. Never go to bed with an argument and settle. Expectation breeds frustration. Frustration breeds anger. Work is the best remedy for all the angers. Men who do not know how to fight anger die young. Make common sense your best friend to reduce your anger and anger of others. Indecision makes you angry. Therefore decide this way or that way. If S fails, lower your standards to make you less angry. You cannot change others as easily as you can change yourself. Do not just catch your employees or your children doing wrong things that will make you angry. Catch them doing right things. When you want to get things done, use creative ways to remind people as they tend to forget conveniently. This will reduce your anger. Most people remember 20% of what they hear. Understand this. Fact to reduce your anger. Now we come to the importance of water in day-to-day life. Drink 6 glasses of water every day to avoid medicine, tablets, injections, diagnosis, doctor fees and everything. You can never believe before practicing. Cough, leukemia, asthma, bronchitis, pulmonary tuberculosis, meningitis, kidney stones, dysentery, gastroenteritis, cancers, constipation, orthopotics, diabetes, eye diseases, ophthalmic hemorrhage, irregular menstruation, breast cancer, laryngitis, headaches, leukemia. The procedure. Early morning after you get up from your bed without even brushing your teeth, drink 1.5 liters of water, that comes to 5 to 6 glasses. You may wash your face thereafter. It is very essential to note that nothing else, either drinks or solid food, but any sort should be taken within 1 hour before and after this 1.5 liters of water. If required, boiled and filtered water may be used for this purpose. It is difficult to drink 1.5 liters at one time, but you will get used to it gradually. Initially, while practicing, you may drink 4 glasses first to balance 2 glasses after a gap of 2 minutes. You may find it necessary to urinate 2 to 3 times within an hour, but it will become normal after quite some time. By research and experience, the following diseases are observed to be cured with therapy indicated as below. Constipation 1 day, acidity in 2 days, diabetes in 7 days, cancer 4 weeks, TB in 3 months, BP and hypertension 4 weeks. Hold on. Ruk ja. Constipation in 1 day. It has been said that if you are constipated, have little water, not altogether. The cutting tea we are getting, when we go to some friends, they say cutting chai will take. Like that way, in 2 to 3 gulps, that much water, keep on drinking till you feel discomfort in your stomach. Not early in the morning you have to drink it, but during the course of the day, drink little water, 2-3 gulps at a time.